it's extremely easy to link Word docs or PowerPoints or Excel files straight into your assignments. I'm going to show you real quick how that's done. So I'm going to pick one of my classes to work from. And then once I'm in, I'm going to go to the Assignments tab. Now when I go down to the Create button, I want to choose Assignment. Now here I'm just going to make this a random. Okay. So now if I want to, let's say, put a Word doc in, I can either attach a blank Word doc, or I can go into my files and choose a template that I already have created. So to put in a blank Word document, I just go to Add Resources. I would go to New Files and just click a Word doc. I would have to give it a title, and attach it. So now students would get a copy of this. It would just be a blank Word document that would be sent out to them. Now I can get a little bit more detailed if I want to. Before I send it out, if I actually click right here and open this up, I can kind of turn this into a template. So I can edit this right here and make my boxes. I can put links, I can put text, I can put directions, whatever I want to right here, and make all those changes. And when I close it, those are going to save, and those will get sent out to every student. So you can kind of create your own template right in here. You can do the same thing for a PowerPoint or an Excel document, whatever you wanted to do. I'm going to go ahead and remove that, because the next one I'm going to do is, let's say I already have my assignment built. I already have my template built. If I go to Add Resources, and if it's saved in my OneDrive, I can just find it right here. Or if it's even saved on my device, I can upload it. So if I go into Upload, and I have a sample Word assignment already built, I can open, it's going to upload, done, and they'll have that sample Word assignment ready to go. And again, it's going to make a new copy for each student, so I don't have to worry about messing up my original. Every student will get their own fresh copy. If I want to preview what that looks like, I can click on it and look at it. I can make some last minute changes if I need to. Those will all save in there. When I'm sure it's ready to go, I can close it. I can put my directions on here for completing it. Complete. Okay. I can assign my points. I can assign to multiple classes if I want to, or if I'm just assigning to one class, I can assign to specific students. I can set my due date, and I'll be good to go. Again, this works for Word, this works for PowerPoint, this works for Excel, anything in our Microsoft suite. So you can actually, and you can add multiple too. So if I wanted to put a Word document and a PowerPoint in there, I could put them both in there, and they could have copies of them both, and they'd be good to go. So that's how you put a Word or a PowerPoint right into your assignment. And when you're done, you click Assign, and they'll all get that assignment ready to go.